Trong những ngày vừa qua, trên một vài trang mạng xã hội của Việt Nam đã xuất hiện không ít những cuộc hội thoại như Alo,
iPhone 14 Pro Max bản 1T Deep Purple.
xin nghe.
Tôi năm nay hơn 70 tuổi mà tôi chưa gặp cái trường hợp nào mà nó như thế này cả.
In this new episode of Beat You on the Spot, let's find out the reasons why people are so hyped about the new iPhone release. On September 16th, the official series of iPhone 14 went on sale and marked yet another global sensation around its new design and features. However, some people says that the design of iPhone 14 is not really distinct from that of iPhone 13, and that a few new features such as the always-on display screen is actually not as good as that of Android phones. But why does every time Apple release something new, people are so hyped about it? First, it is something that psychologists call bandwagon effect, in which people do something primarily because other people are doing it. That simply explains the temptation you might have when seeing other YouTubers, TikTokers showing their newest iPhone 14 everywhere. Secondly, Apple tries to make their products seem scarce to boost the demands of their customers. When a new iPhone becomes available, it's customary to see lines snaked around Apple stores hours before they open. Apple fans want to be the first to have and use the device and avoid having to wait for shipping delays. Research has shown that when you think an item is scarce, it heightens your arousal and make you feel panicked to make decisions quickly. The perception of scarcity makes you less discerning and more likely to go with your favorite item rather than research other options. Thirdly, have you ever felt that when you owned a newest iPhone, you might look fancier than anyone else? That's the behavioral economics concept called social proof. Owning a mobile phone is not just about you having an electronic device, it's about how you look to other people, how your value is defined, and how confident you feel in daily social contexts. In this case, having the newest iPhone can boost your self-esteem and remind you that you are not outdated. Every time you look at that phone, it tells you something about who you are, and it reinforces certain aspects of your own identity.
Vậy, bạn đã bao giờ gặp phải những chiếc bẫy tâm lý này mỗi khi nhìn thấy một chiếc iPhone mới được ra mắt hay chưa? Hãy comment ngay phía dưới cho Bitu cùng biết nhé. Còn bây giờ thì xin chào và hẹn gặp lại trong những bản tin tiếp theo của Bitu on the Spot.
Hey, show's over. Give me back my phone.
B2, talk the way you like.